Hi, I'm Amanda with Meal Plan Ninja, and today we're excited to show you how to make a meal prep egg casserole bake. And the reason why we're really excited about this is because I've tried so many different egg recipes for meal prep, and most of the time they end up spongy and squishy, and the texture is just nasty and not super appetizing. So we're really excited that this is a more dense and fluffy way to do it, and it's great on its own with avocado, salsa, hot sauce, any topping you like. But it's also great, you can cut it into little squares and put it in a breakfast sandwich. And it's nice because you can do two different versions for the family. So we have a vegetarian option and then we have a ham and cheese option. And then if you have any leftover veggies you need to use up, you can just toss it in and mix it up every week so you don't get bored. So we hope you enjoy it, and follow us and give us a comment on what toppings you would add.